Just talk a little bit about what this conference can do for a project like yours and what it means to bring 16 guys together for a conference of this nature.
I think the most important part is the interactivity between all the elements of racing, whether it be drag racing or circle track or IndyCar. There's a wealth of information out there. We find a wealth of information just from Ford Motor Company. Some of the things that we see in our project that we need to do, and we consider all the alternatives. We go to Ford and they've already been done. It's in the passenger car that our wife and family drive back and forth to the grocery store every day. So a pool of information with a variety of venues in the racing community is going to be a good thing. We can extract more information in a shorter period of time from more people. And when we're focused on driver safety or the containment of the driver, the environment of the driver, an accident, many of the aspects that we see in drag racing really haven't been to the forefront in previous years. Multiple impacts to the driver's head, impacts to the guard wall, chassis construction, and all these things that we see that we need to improve on. When we communicate these issues to other venues of racing, even in NASCAR, they say we're considering the same thing. We've got the same criteria, we've got the same problems. So some of the products that we may develop, they may already have in play, and some of the things that we're developing, they may not ever consider. We were at a Charlotte exhibition at the race last year, and there were 4 of the safety people involved in NASCAR were very inquisitive about the product that we're working on, the course that we're taking at the Mac Medlen project, and actually got involved in some of our carbon fiber work that we've done with the local vendors. But long story made short, the more people we get involved, especially the doctors, the medical community, and the data recording that we do on the cars, we know some of the impacts involved in the crash tests. Scientific approach to the helmets and the impacts of the brain, the ear accelerometers, which have been used in other forms of motorsports that we currently use in drag racing. All this information, whether it's new or old, better shared by a larger group of people is going to produce better and faster results. Unfortunately, in all the evolution of technology, information at the upper level of that cutting edge or leading technology gets to the racer very, very slow. And that's one of the goals, I think, of this conference, is that information will travel much more quickly to the grassroots racer when a pool of people in a variety of racing environments gather together, and collectively all that can trickle down faster because it's a bigger funnel at the top and get to the bottom quicker. I think that's one of the primary goals that we can do. So we can save more lives and perhaps not one more life to be lost in a sport people so love to do.